What's up, guys? Joe from RC Outlaws. I got a special video today. We're doing a really sick build. It's going to be a drag car. It's not going to be electric, and it's not going to be 1/10. It's going to be a 1/5 scale HPI Baja gas drag car. It's going to be very similar to this one back here, almost like it's twin. Luckily for me, I linked up with Freddie on Instagram, who is the man behind these beautiful machines that you see behind me right here. Some insane 5th scale, unbelievable builds, just beautiful. See this big boy up here? He's on Instagram at Fred Suarez, so you can check him out on there and see a bunch of his stuff, which is unbelievably mind-boggling in the RC world. So yeah, these are some pretty crazy builds he's got going on here. And basically what we're doing is we're taking an HPI Baja, which looks a little bit something like this, and we're building this car up from the ground up. So we're not taking an HPI Baja and putting all these drag parts on it. We've literally ordered every single bolt, nut, part that you could think of.
Built, not bought.
Built, not bought. And we have a nice engine that just got built, and it just shipped on Friday, so I'm excited for that. That's coming in this week.
Shout out to OBR.
And that's going to be O'Neill Brothers Racing, or as Freddie likes to say.
We might have to edit that.
But this is where we've gotten so far. So this is kind of like day 2 of the build. We got the rear end going here. So what we did was we rebuilt the diff with some serious diff fluid. It's in an RC Max transmission case. We got the axles in. We got the lower A-arms, the uppers, the shock mounts. This is going to be a carbon fiber chassis. All right, guys, so we're still wrenching away over here. We got the front end almost complete. Well, at least one side anyway, because on this side, I only ordered one set of RPM, upper and lower. That was my mistake. So he's got some stock ones in there just to mock it up right now. We're getting that servo installed. And unfortunately, a couple of pieces that I needed out of this for the steering didn't come with the part that I ordered. So we're going to have to order a little bit more and keep wrenching away. You know, but ultimately, the goal is to have one of these built in the next 2 to 3 weeks, and then maybe onto one of those.
That's
and
right.
One of those. And one of those.
Why not, right?
Why not? So we got Monkey in the background. What's up?
What's up, guys?
He's got a serious truck over here too. Insane. He's got a brand new engine on there. We're gonna be starting that up in a little bit. I'll let you guys take a look at that. But unbelievable, beautiful work. Insane. It's not much like it out there, guys. I tell you, I've been in the RC game for a while. I see a lot of stuff on social media, but these builds are just top notch.
Stay tuned, guys.
Stay tuned, guys. We're going to keep wrenching away on this bad boy. Get it as mocked up as we can. Hopefully, we'll get the rear connected to the front. Motor will be coming. Big things coming.
A lot of things is coming.
Freddie just wrenching away, killing it over here. On a Sunday morning, we're just kicking back. It's a rainy day today, so good day to turn some wrenches. All right, guys. We are definitely getting there. It's together. One solid piece. Insane. Carbon fiber. Got the Savox servos in there. Like I said, I got to get these RPMs and then put the rest of this together. The turnbuckles, I need to order some plastic pieces, but I have some aluminum ones. Steering links on the way. A couple other things showing up this week, but we are close, guys. A couple of weeks out. This thing's going to be on the track. Alright, so what's going on here is Monkey's new car. He's got an RC Max motor. They were trying to break it in. They were having some problems. They thought it might have been the carb. It might have been one of the gaskets. He took everything apart, put some new gaskets in there, put a velocity stack on there, took the air filter off. So he's all pumped to get ripping on his new car here. So seems to be running pretty decent right now. These guys are playing around. Basically going through the break-in process, so he's adjusting the fuel, the air mixture, getting it all going. Monkey's real happy. Oh yeah. Insane. That sound is like no other, man.
Yeah, it stings the nostrils.
Definitely. All right, guys. So we wrapped it up for the day. Basically got both of the servos in there. Still gonna grab the other side on those A arms. The whole back is pretty much done. He's got the brake set up in here. Let's see if you guys can see that. Got the transmission in there. So that's pretty much it, guys. Gonna be done real soon. Got a few more parts coming in. So if you guys made it this far in the video, I appreciate it. Stay tuned. Part 2 is gonna be coming up, or actually part 3 for the record. That'll be coming up probably by next week, and hopefully have this thing out on the track in the next 2 to 3 weeks. So, all right, guys. Remember, check us out on Instagram. I'll put links down below to a few of the parts that were used in this build. If you guys are interested in it, hit me up in the comments below. Let me know if you're interested, and I'll point you in the right direction. Thanks a lot, guys. We'll see you soon.